students. Today we can discuss complete introduction part of the matrices. Okay, slowly we will discuss. So matrices is plural word. Matrix is singular word. Remember everyone. Okay, matrices is plural. Matrix is singular. First, we'll discuss the definition of a matrix. M-A-T-R-I-X, matrix. What is the definition means? A matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries. Okay. Matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries. This is the definition. Okay. First, write the definition. We'll discuss completely examples and all. Okay. The definition of a matrix is a rectangle array of elements or entries. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries. Yeah, I can say how many marks it will come. Dear students, from this matrix chapter, we have one mark question, one 3-mark question, one 5-mark question. Total 9 marks. Actually, matrix and determinants are a linked chapters. Matrices and determinants together as linked chapters. From determinants, one mark, one 2 marks, one 5 marks, one 4 marks. Total 12 marks it will come. So these two chapters together is 21 marks, my dear students. Very, very important. Okay. Every student will answer the questions in matrix and determinants for 5 marks. Okay. That much easy they can give. Matrix, so one 3-mark question, one 1-mark question, one 5-mark question, total 9 marks. Determinants, one 1-mark, one 2 marks, one 5 marks, one 4 marks. Total 12 marks. Understand? So the definition of the matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries. So many students are joined just now. So everyone, you can copy it. The definition you can copy, and how many marks they will ask in matrix chapter also explain. That also you can copy, everyone. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries. Elements or entries. Rectangular array of elements or entries. Complete everyone. Can I move to the next one? You can respond back in the chat box, yes or no. Good morning, Suchitra ji. Definition everyone wrote? Yes, good. Now, we can represent a matrix. How to represent a matrix? A matrix we can represent like this. Square bracket, or like this also possible, but majority of the time we are using this only. Okay, this is correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Dear students, this is called rows. Okay, the blue lines are called columns. Okay, we are representing a matrix with rows as well as columns. This matrix contains how many rows? How many black lines are there? 2. Cross or 2 into. How many columns are there? 3. 2 cross 3. Suppose a matrix is given like this: A, B, C, D, E, F. Here, how many rows are there? 3 rows, correct? How many columns are there? 2 columns. Then what is the order of the matrix? This is called order of the matrix. 3 cross 2. 3 rows, 2 columns. First, you can say always rows. Second, you can say columns. Okay. First, we can say rows. Second, we can say columns. Next, I will give one more question to you, my dear students. What is the order of this matrix? Can anyone say? How many rows are there? Inside of elements, whatever it should be, either letters, entries. That's why we can say, we can call it as entries. Entries or elements. It is alphabetical possible, numbers possible, letters possible, anything. 2 rows, 3 columns. Correct? Huh? We can call it as, this is called order of the matrix. Order. 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 Okay. 2 rows, 3 columns. How many sleeping lines? This is called sleeping line. X-axis. Sleeping. 2 sleeping lines. 3 standing lines. Like that. One more example. How many rows are there? How many columns are there? What is the order? Everyone need to respond. It's a basic concept. Everyone need to. 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. So what is the order of the matrix? 2 cross 2. Black lines represent rows. These are called rows. Row 1, row 2. This is called columns. Column 1, column 2. Correct? So first we are representing with rows. Second we are representing with columns. This is called order of the matrix. Write this 4 examples, everyone. Write 4 examples, dear students. Completed means you can reply it completed, sir. Okay. Very good. Most of them are telling the correct answers. And I can say here one more very, very important concept, my dear student, that is, you observe what is the order of the first matrix, 2 cross 3, correct? Order of the first matrix is 2 cross 3. 2 into 3, how much? 6, no? How many elements are present in matrix? 6 elements only. See here, 3 into 2, how much? 6. How many elements present in matrix? 6. Here, what is the order? 2 into 3, 6. How many elements present in matrix? 6. Here, 2 into 2, how much? 4. How many elements present in matrix? 4. So, number of elements in a matrix is equal to product of rows into columns. Product of rows into columns. I'll give still more examples, my dear students. You can one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3 minus 1. What is the order of this matrix? Anyone? What is the order of this particular matrix? How many rows are there? Once again, I'm repeating to you. First we are representing rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. How many columns are there, my dear students? We have 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So order of the matrix we can represent like 3 cross 3. I'm writing into, but we can spell as cross. 3 cross 3. Okay. This is called order of the matrix. I minus I. What is order of this matrix? I minus I. Dear students, inside of matrix, complex numbers also possible. Okay. Complex numbers also possible. Correct. How many rows are there in this? Dear student, don't confuse. How many rows? 1 row. How many columns are there? 1, 2. Correct? So what we can spell is, what is the order of this matrix? 1 cross 2. 1 row, 2 columns. This is the order. 1 row, 2 columns. Correct? 1 black line, 2 blue lines. 1 row, 2 columns. I minus I. Now, can you give one more example, my dear students? X, Y. What is the order of this matrix? How many rows are there? How many columns are there? Dear student, this matrix contains 2 rows. Correct? Correct. Dear student, this matrix contains how many columns? Only 1 column. Then what is the order of the matrix, my dear students? Yes, you are right. 2 rows, 1 column. 2 cross 1. This is the order of the matrix. 2 ones are 2. That's why we have 2 elements. A, B, C. So what is the order? A, B, C. What is the order? What is the order of this matrix, everyone? Yes. Always you can see first rows, next columns. 1 row. Correct? No? How many columns? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So we can spell what is the order of this matrix? 1 row, 3 columns. 1 cross 3. I hope everyone is understanding what I am explaining to you. Yes, write these 4 examples. Anyone having any doubt regarding rows and columns? Just you raise your hand, I can repeat the things, okay? First rows, next columns. Complete everyone. Copied all this. Can I move to next code? Next example, all of you, please respond back. Yes or no? Good. Very good. Now, dear students, I'll give one more example to you. P, Q, R. What is the order of this matrix? P, Q, R. What is the order of this matrix? Order means always first we can see rows. How many rows are there? How to represent rows? Just you draw like this. 3 rows. Let us assume. Don't need to draw just for understanding. Only one column. So order is very good. Everyone is responding. 3 cross 1. How many elements are possible in the matrix? 3 ones are 3. 3 elements are there now, like that. Good. Now I can give one more. Alpha. What is the order of this matrix? Anyone? What is the order of this matrix? 100% correct. Very good. How many rows are there? 1 row is there. How many columns are there? 1 column is there. So what is the order of the matrix? 1 cross 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 element present. Understand? So now you understand very clear the rows and columns of a matrix. The rows and columns of a matrix are representing by order. First you can write always rows. Next you can write columns. See, a baby born means small baby born. Is it sleeping or standing? Just now a baby born means it is always sleeping. So always we can consider first row. This is called row, sleeping line. This is called column, standing line. After some days it will walk, no? After baby born it will sleep. That's why always we can consider first rows, next columns. Okay. These 2 examples also, write everyone. Write these 2 examples also. Write these 2 examples, dear students. Completed. So until now, what we discussed means we discussed only 2 things. One is define matrix. Dear students, what is meant by a matrix means? A matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries. What are the elements means? What we are writing inside the matrix until now in the example, that is called elements or entries. It may be root values, it may be complex numbers, it may be variables, numbers, anything possible inside the matrix. Understand? Next. Dear students, next we are representing a matrix. General representation of a matrix. What I am explaining, everyone is following, understood? I'm explaining in understandable way only, no? I'm not explaining any fast, no? Everyone is following. Is it good? Understand everyone? Okay. Until now we discussed only 2 things. One is definition of a matrix. Second is order of a matrix. Okay. Now, representation of a matrix, my dear students. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Suppose the example is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Example we already taken, correct? What is the order of this particular matrix? 2 rows, 3 columns, correct? So how we are representing of a matrix means, suppose we want this particular element. This particular element means, what is the order of that matrix? First row, second column, correct? First row, second column, A1, 2. Suppose we want this element, 4. 4 means what? Second row, first column, A21. Second row, first column. This 2, 1 is nothing but second row, first column element. 2, 2 is nothing but second row, second column element. 2, 3 is nothing but second row, third column elements. So what if you equate these two means, what I can write? A11 is 1, A12 is 2, A13 is 3, correct? A21 is 4, A22 is 5, A23 is 6. Second row, first column, 4. Second row, second column element, what is there? 5. Second row, third element, what is there? 6, like that. First try this one. I'll give many examples. Don't write this one, everyone. Completed, everyone. Can I move to the next question? Good. Now I can give one more question. We'll discuss this. Three minus 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. How to represent this particular matrix? What is the order of this matrix? First, we can say 3 cross 2, correct? Then how to write this means, A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. The last element, what we are writing, that is equal to the order of the matrix. Remember. Now you can say, my dear students, what is A11 value? Good. A12 value? -4. Correct. A21 value? 5. A22 value? 6. A31 value? 1. A32 value? 2. Understand? Wait a minute. I'll give one more example. 3 minus 5, 8 minus 9. What is A11? Everyone. 3. What is A12? -5. What is A21? 8. Good. What is A22? -9. This is called A11. This is called A12. This is called A21. This is called A22. What is the order of the matrix? 2 cross 2. Correct? Huh? So this is called representation of a matrix. So we are representing each and every element of a matrix by using this A11, A12, A21, A22 like that. Okay. Write these two examples, everyone. Everyone is following the class very seriously. Everyone understand things. Good. Completed. Now we can move to dear students. Now I can give one example to you. We can say values in that very clearly. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. What is the order of this matrix? Perfect. 3 cross 3. Now I am asking what is A11? What is the A11 element? First row, first element A. What is A12? First row, second element. Correct, my dear students. B. A13. First row, third element. Very good. C. Next, my dear students, I will ask A21. Second row, first element. Good. X. Now, second row, second element. A22. Perfect. Second row, second element is Y. A23. Second row, third element. Z. Correct. Now, I'll move to the third row, first element. What is third row, first element? Perfect. P. Here, students, what is third row, second element? Q. Perfect. Here, student, third row, third element? Wonderful. R. So, like that, we are representing a matrix with the elements. Suppose I will give one more example. I'll ask questions carefully. I want only A13. First row, third element, 4. What is A22? What is A22? Second row, second element. What is, how to check this? Second row, second element. Second row, second element. So this one, -8. Correct? Now everyone understood how to represent a matrix. Okay. Right, everyone. Copy it, everyone. Complete everyone? Yes, good. We'll move to the next one. I think you understood everyone representation of matrix. So the real matrix, how we are representing means like this, dear students. A11, A12, A13, A14 and so on, A1n. Next A21, A22, A23, A24 and so on, A2n. Next A31, A32, A33, A34 and so on, A3n and so on, AN1, AN2, AN3, AN4 and so on, ANN. This is the representation of a real matrix. What is the order of this matrix means? N rows, N columns, N cross N. Understand? Or once again, I will say like this to you. This is M1 I can consider. Then order will change because we don't know whether these two are equal now. Sometimes M1, M2, M3, M4, last is Mn. What is after this matrix? M cross N. M rows and N columns. Rows are M, columns are N. Understand? This is the representation of a matrix. Okay. If it is 2 by 2 matrix, A22 is end. 2 by 3 matrix, up to A23 we are writing. 2 by 4 means A24. 3 by 1 means A31. Like that. So many are possible. Right? This one. So this is the order of the matrix. M cross N. How many elements are possible means M into N. Complete everyone. Can I move to the next one? Yes. Yes, dear students. Small example I can give to you. I minus I. 1 minus 1. Dear students, what is A21? What is A21? Second row, first element. Second row, first element means this one, 1. What is A12? First row, second element. First row, second element. First row, second element. No confusion. No confusion. First row, second element. No one don't say wrong. So for understanding, just first row, second element. This is the second row. The first row, second element. Minus I now. What is A11? First row, first element. First row, first element is I only, no? Good. What is A22? Second row, second element. Second row, second element. -1. Perfect. So the given matrix I minus I, 1 minus 1. This is the second row. This is the first element, this is second element. This is second element to -1. Like that. Understand? Write this one. Good, correct. I think students who came late also, you are following. Everyone understood? Copy this example. Complete everyone. Can I move to the next one? Yes. See, dear students, like this, like given one more question, very important. This is 2 marks. 1 mark, they will ask this question. Construct 2 by 2 matrix with Aij is equal to I plus j. Aij is equal to I plus j. Write this question, everyone. It's an example question. Construct 2 by 2 matrix with Aij is equal to I plus j. Construct 2 by 2 matrix with Aij is equal to I plus j. Dear students, 2 by 2 matrix contains how many elements? 2 by 2 matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix contains how many elements? 4 elements, correct? Very good. The 4 elements we are representing like this one, A11, A12, A21, A22. Yes or no? This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Yes, perfect. Now, what is the given condition? Dear students, they are given Aij is equal to I plus j, correct? So we need to find the first element. A11 we can find. We need to find all the 4 elements. We need to find first element first. Aij means I plus A11 means 1 plus 1 how much? 2. First element is 2. Next second element. What is the second element? A12. Ij means I plus j. 1 2 means 1 plus 2 how much? 3. Next third element. What is third element? A21. A21. Aij means I plus j. A21 means 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1 value? 3. What is the last element? A22. Aij means I plus j. A22 means 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2 value? 4. Then what is the matrix? 2, 3, 3, 4. So construct 2 by 2 matrix, they said, my dear students. 2 by 2 matrix means, as we know that it contains 4 elements. How to represent those 4 elements? A11, A12, A21, A22. 2 2s are 4 now, so you can close. The given condition Aij is I plus j. We want to find the 4 values. First A11. A11 means 1 plus 1, 2. Next A12. 1 plus 2 is 3. A21. 2 plus 1 is 3. A22. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. So 2 2s are 4 elements are possible. Row is 2, column is 2, 2 2s are 4. Understand? Right. 2 2s are 4. Complete, everyone. Can I give one more question in this model? Yes, right question. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix with Aij is equal to I minus j. Aij is equal to I minus j. Aij is equal to I minus j. 2 by 2 matrix means we have A11, A12, A21, A2. Correct? First you can find A11. How much A11 value? 1 minus 1 is 0. A12 value? 1 minus 2 minus 1. A21 value? 2 minus 1, 1. A22 value? 2 minus 2, 0. Then the values are 0, minus 1, 1, 0. You can maintain that gap always while representing a matrix. Okay. I think everyone understood this concept. This is very, very important. 1 mark they will ask this model question. Can I give one more example, my dear students, on this? This time I can give 3 by 3 matrix. Are you ready? Yes, ready. Dear students, now I can give to you right question. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix with Aij is equal to I divided by j. Aij is equal to I divided by j. Aij is equal to I divided by j. Dear students, 3 by 3 matrix contains how many values? 3 rows, 3 columns. So A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Correct, 9 elements. A31, A32, A33. You can find solely all the values. What is A11? 1 divided by 1, 1. What is A12? 1 divided by 2. What is A13? 1 divided by 3. A21, 2 divided by 1, 2 only. Correct? A22, 2 divided by 2 is 1. A23, 2 divided by 3. A31, 3 divided by 1, 3. A32, correct, 3 divided by 2. A33, 3 divided by 3 means 1. Then what is the answer? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2, 1, 2 by 3, 3, 3 by 2, 1. Understand? That is the answer. That is the answer. So first 3 by 3 matrix means you can represent a matrix by using A11, A12, A13 like that up to 3, 3. Then you can substitute the values. Okay. Dear students, everyone is following. Understand? Please respond back, everyone. Everyone following seriously. Anyone having doubt? Anyone not understood? Sir, it is fast. We are not unable to understand this. Raise your hand, no problem. I can repeat the answer again. Okay. Next one. Can I move next question? Yes or no? Yes. Everyone is listening. No, no one is sleeping now. First time evening batch students are coming in the morning time. So morning internet speed is good. No one will go this time. No one is using more internet now. So evening time maybe students are using more internet. So morning this much early morning 6 o'clock very less people are using internet. So internet speed also will come very nicely. Okay. And fresh mind you can learn the things. Okay. Good. Now write one more question. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix with Aij is equal to 2i minus j. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix with Aij is equal to 2i minus j. I'll get 2 minutes time, everyone. You can find the answer for this question. Can you try? Can you try, everyone? Try. Let's try. One zero minus one. Okay. First row correct. Dikshita. 3 to 1. Okay. Correct, Divya. Correct, Vandana. Correct, Shilpa. Yes, correct, Shilpa. You can write last matrix. Yes. Yes, correct. 2 by 3 means first of all A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. साना जी करेक्ट है परफेक्ट A22 A23 A11 2 ones are 2 minus 1 1 A12 2 ones are 2 minus 2 0 A13 2 ones are 2 minus 3 minus 1 next A21 2 twos are 4 minus 1 3 A22 2s are 4 minus 2 2 A23 2 twos are 4 minus 3 1 the final answer is 1 0 minus 1 3 2 1 correct now very good very good very good so many students get it very correct everyone need to follow the everyone you can follow anyone having any doubt you raise your hand I will explain okay don't worry good now I can move yes students constructor a 3 by 2 matrix with Aij is equal to I minus 2j I minus 2j before we wrote 2i minus j now I minus 2j do it first you can say first row column not individual elements correct Kirtana. Yes, Divya. Correct, Kavya Visi. Three rows, two columns means, first of all, matrix is like this, no? Correct, Shilpa? A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Like this, correct? A11, 1 minus 2, minus A12, 1 minus 2 to the 4, minus 3. A21, 2 minus 1, 1. A22, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 2s are 4, minus 2. A31, 3 minus 2, 1. A32, 3 minus 4, minus 1. The final answer is like this: minus 1, minus 3, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Correct? Everyone got the same? Yes. Good. Very, very good. Every student in the class is responding nicely. Every student you are understanding the question. Good. This is very, very important question. In the examination, compulsory they'll ask for 1 mark. Okay. In this model, one more last question I can give. After that, we will start examples. Actually, types of matrices are the types of matrices I'll explain in second class, not now. Okay, tomorrow's class. Dear students, everyone is following now. Everyone is understanding. Am I explaining speed? Am I explaining speed? Okay, good. Right, one more question. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix. Rajashri, switch off your video. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix with Aij is equal to I plus j divided by 2. I plus j divided by 2. Nice question, no? Can you try this? Try with 2 minutes time. You can say the answer. Do slowly. अक्षिता जी, आपका कैमरा ऑन है, ऑफ करो. After a long time, I'm seeing you people. Okay, Sanjay SM. Correct. Yes, Sondana N1. Correct. Then become fast. Kavya busy. Correct. Correct, Divyas. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. A31, A32, A33. 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 1. 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3 by 2. Correct, Neetu? Perfect, perfect, Neetu. A13, 1 plus 3, 4 by 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2. 3 plus 2, 5 by 2. 3 plus 3, 6 by 2, 3. Correct? Huh? They didn't got like this one, you know. So finally, I'll repeat. So today we discussed, we started the chapter named Matrices. In that we discussed 7 by 2 now. Where 7 by 2 possible? 7 by 2 not possible now. Let's check it. Someone said 7 by 2. There is 5 by 2. I plus J only now. Today we started Matrices chapter. We discussed first define matrix. What is meant by a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of elements. I can unmute someone and I can say the answer. Aishwarya, what define matrix?
A matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries.
Elements, objects or entries. Okay, good. We are representing a matrix with a capital letter. Actually, I didn't say that. We are using capital A, capital B, capital X, capital Y, like that. We are using a matrix with the capital letter. Okay. After that, we discussed order of a matrix. How to represent order of a matrix means number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns. Matrix, can anyone say? What is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix? Don't forget. Hey, no confusion. See, again, people are confusing yourself. Huh? First row, next column. How many rows are there? Only one row. How many columns are there? 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the order of the matrix? 1 cross 4. 1 cross 4. 1 row, 4 columns. No confusion. For understanding only, you draw a line. This is called row. This is row. This is column. How many rows? 1 row. How many columns? 4 columns. So we are representing as 1 cross 4. In the middle, every day we'll ask. Okay, you need to say the correct answer. How many said correct answer? Many said the correct answer. Good. 1 or 2 members you confused. 4 cross 1 instead. Don't confuse. Okay. What is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix, dear students? Yes. Correct. 2 rows, 1 column. So order is 2 cross 1. Now everyone understood now? No confusion? So I will stop up to here today. So this I can upload in even YouTube also. If anyone have doubt and want to revise also, you can revise it, no problem. Okay. I think most of the students, you applied for e-tutor, you are writing the test. How is it? It is fine. Good. If any others want to join, you can join also. Take the e-tutor also. That's it today's class. I will stop the class now. It is good, and Raju. Okay. Raju sir.